The road ahead is electric, and the future of transportation is already here. The future of driving is electric, offering a cleaner, more efficient, and technologically advanced way to hit the The automotive industry is experiencing a monumental shift. With growing environmental concerns, the rise of electric vehicles, EVs, is revolutionizing the way we drive. From luxury sedans to family SUVs, electric vehicles are quickly becoming the preferred choice for eco-conscious drivers worldwide. In this video, we will explore the current state of electric vehicles, their environmental impact, key technologies, and what the future holds for these sustainable machines. Electric vehicles, EVs, are cars that are powered entirely by electricity, using an electric motor and battery pack. Unlike conventional gasoline-powered cars, EVs do not rely on internal combustion engines, which significantly reduces their carbon footprint. There are two main types of electric vehicles: battery electric vehicles, BEVs. These vehicles run entirely on electricity stored in batteries and must be recharged at a charging station or home outlet. Plug-in, hybrid, electric vehicles, PHEVs. PHEVs combine an electric motor with a gasoline engine. They can run on electricity alone for a limited range before switching to gasoline for longer trips. Electric vehicles are growing in popularity due to their efficiency, environmental benefits, and advancements in battery technology. Electric vehicles are a sustainable alternative to traditional cars, offering a greener, cleaner way to get around while reducing emissions. One of the most compelling reasons to switch to an electric vehicle is their environmental impact. Zero emissions. Traditional gasoline-powered vehicles release carbon dioxide, CO2, and other harmful pollutants into the air, contributing to air pollution and global warming. Electric vehicles, on the other hand, produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means they have a much smaller environmental footprint. Lower carbon footprint. When charged with electricity from renewable sources like wind or solar, EVs are nearly carbon neutral. Even when charged from the grid, which still uses some fossil fuels, EVs contribute far fewer emissions compared to conventional vehicles. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are much more efficient than gasoline engines. While gasoline engines only convert about 20–30% of fuel energy into movement, electric motors can convert 85–90% of electrical energy into motion, making EVs highly energy efficient. Less noise pollution. EVs are quieter than traditional vehicles because they don't rely on internal combustion engines. This reduces noise pollution, especially in busy cities and urban areas. By producing zero emissions and using renewable energy sources, electric vehicles play a crucial role in fighting climate change and reducing pollution. Electric vehicles rely on advanced technology to deliver their impressive performance, efficiency, and environmental benefits. Here are some of the key components that make EVs so unique. Battery technology. The heart of any electric vehicle is its battery pack. Most EVs use lithium-ion batteries for their energy storage. Range. The range of an electric vehicle, the distance it can travel on a single charge, is crucial for consumers. Many modern EVs can achieve 250–370 miles on a single charge, and manufacturers are continuously improving battery technology to increase the range. Charging time. Charging time is another critical factor for EV adoption. With advancements in fast charging technology, some vehicles can charge up to 80% in 30 minutes, making long trips more convenient. Electric motors. Unlike traditional cars that use an internal combustion engine, EVs use electric motors to turn the wheels. Electric motors provide instant torque and smooth acceleration, delivering a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. Regenerative braking. Many EVs feature regenerative braking, which recovers energy during braking and sends it back to the battery. This helps extend the driving range and improves energy efficiency. Electric vehicles rely on innovative battery technology, efficient electric motors, and smart systems like regenerative braking to offer superior performance and efficiency. The electric vehicle market is rapidly growing, with several manufacturers offering a range of vehicles suited to different needs and preferences. Some of the most popular models include Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the best-selling electric vehicles globally. Known for its performance, range, and cutting-edge technology, it is available in several versions, including the Standard Range Plus and the Long Range AWD model. Nissan Leaf. The Nissan Leaf is one of the most affordable electric cars, with a range of 150 to 126 miles depending on the model. It is a practical choice for city driving and is equipped with advanced safety features. Chevrolet Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt offers 259 miles of range and has a reputation for being one of the best value electric vehicles on the market. It is a compact car with spacious interiors and a smooth driving experience. Ford Mustang Mach-E. The Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric SUV that combines performance with practicality. It offers a range of 230-300 miles and comes in multiple performance variants, including the GT version, which offers 459 horsepower. From the performance-driven Tesla Model 3 to the affordable Nissan Leaf and the versatile Ford Mustang Mach-E, there's an electric vehicle for every driver's needs. Electric vehicles are not only better for the environment, but they also offer several economic benefits. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts than traditional vehicles, which means they require less maintenance. They don't need oil changes, and their brake pads tend to last longer due to regenerative braking. Energy savings. Electricity is generally cheaper than gasoline, and many EV owners report that it costs significantly less to fuel their electric vehicle than to fill up a gas tank. Government incentives. Many governments offer tax incentives and rebates to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles. This can significantly reduce the upfront cost of purchasing an EV. Energy independence. EVs are powered by electricity, which can be generated from a variety of sources, including renewable energy. This reduces reliance on oil and helps ensure a more diverse and sustainable energy future. Electric vehicles offer economic savings through lower operating costs, government incentives, and the potential for energy independence. The future of electric vehicles is bright and filled with potential. Here's a glimpse into what's to come. Longer range. As battery technology continues to improve, electric vehicles will offer even longer ranges, making them suitable for long road trips and reducing range anxiety. Faster charging. The development of ultra-fast charging stations will make it possible to charge electric vehicles in as little as 10 to 20 minutes, allowing for more convenience during long trips. Autonomous driving. Many electric vehicles, including those from Tesla, are working towards fully autonomous driving capabilities, which will allow drivers to relax while the car handles all aspects of driving. Wider adoption. As the charging infrastructure expands and the cost of EVs continues to drop, electric vehicles will become more accessible to the mass market, driving global adoption and further reducing our dependence on fossil fuels. With longer ranges, faster charging, and the potential for autonomous driving, the future of electric vehicles is set to change the way we think about mobility. Electric vehicles are leading the charge toward a sustainable, clean, and exciting future of transportation. With ongoing advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and performance capabilities, EVs will continue to revolutionize the automotive industry. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly ride, a high-performance machine, or a low-cost alternative, electric vehicles offer something for everyone. The road ahead is electric, and the future of transportation is already here. The future of driving is electric, offering a cleaner, more efficient, and technologically advanced way to